Hey, this is Kieran with Eclipse FC, and I wanted to do a quick follow-up to the college soccer recruiting meeting from the February 26th and share kind of a starting point as to how my player wants to play at the next level. What can I do to get started and start the process to hopefully one day play at the next level? My first suggestion is create a soccer-specific email account. This should be one used to contact coaches, assistant coaches, admissions, et cetera. And then that way, all your correspondence that deals with soccer, college soccer, is connected to this one account. My other suggestion is make the account your first name, last name of the player, and the year that they're going to graduate. So in the example here on the slide, it's John Doe 2018 at email.com. The name is John and the last name's Doe, and then we know that they're graduating in 2018. So you're constantly sharing that information. So if a coach sees that, they know that they are a senior. If it's 2019, they know they're a junior, 2020, a sophomore, et cetera, et cetera. The other big thing, utilize YouTube or any of those other video sharing channels. The video should be 3 to 5 minutes, positive clips, and they should be from gameplay. This is not the one where you want to show that you can do 30, 40 juggles or you've got this little move with cones and what have you. It should be gameplay, highlighting some of the things that you're good at: offense, defense, decision making, touch, finishing, goal scoring, if you're a keeper, goal stopping, and your footwork, et cetera, et cetera. And use some type of indicator to show where you are in the clip, meaning maybe you use an arrow to point to where you're at. You can use a circle to highlight you. There's all kinds of little options out there that you can Google and check out. And then make sure, using your soccer-specific email account, share those video clips with the coaches. Both of those ideas, the email account and the YouTube channel, leads to the biggest first step. You've got to contact coaches. They need to know that you're out there. And the best way is send a quick email. Go on to their websites and fill out the recruit questionnaire. You've got to make the initial contact with the coaches. That is just a priority. So at this point, my big push is you've got to start reaching out, emailing, sharing video, following coaches on Twitter, Facebook, any of those types of things. You need to start making contact in any way you can. And the biggest ones that I've found so far that have success is via email and by sharing video. This is my first, hopefully, of many helpful little videos that I'm going to put together for the recruiting process. But again, this is the first step for your player to get started on the journey of college soccer recruiting. Hey, this is Kieran with Eclipse FC. We train to develop, play to win.